Exporting goods can be difficult. It involves searching for buyers in the global markets, procuring raw material, manufacturing goods, exporting it, and then waiting for payments. To curb the problem of working capital, you can always use the IT seal lying in your electronic credit ledger. In this video, we will be telling you about GST refund under export without payment of tax and with LUT. You can claim the GST refund for the value which you can get after using this formula. But calculation using this formula is not easy. After calculation, filing is another task. But don't worry. With MyGST Refund platform, you can calculate your GST refund in a minute. Just go to mygstrefund.com. After login, just enter your GSTIN and username. Go to refund calculator, select GSTIN, select export without payment as refund type, select period, enter OTP and your refund amount is here. If you want to file a refund for the same, you can always click on ask for refund button. Our team will get in touch with you and help you in the filing process. Don't worry about your GST refund challenges. India's first ever automated GST refund platform, MyGST Refund, is here for you.